We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and navigate to the OpenAI website at chatopenai.com. Once you're there, if you already have an account, click the login button on the top right corner and enter your credentials. If you're new, you'll need to sign up by clicking the sign up button and following the prompts to create your account, which might involve verifying your email. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the ChatGPT interface. To start a conversation, simply click in the text box at the bottom of the screen and type your message or question. Press enter or click the send icon to submit it. ChatGPT will then process your input and generate a response in the chat window. You can continue the conversation by typing more messages or asking additional questions. If you want to start a fresh conversation, you can click the new chat button, usually located on the sidebar or top of the window, which will clear the previous chat and begin a new session. If you ever need to access settings or explore more features, look for the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, where you can adjust preferences or upgrade your account if you're interested in more advanced features. Keep in mind, for the best experience, ensure your browser is up to date and your internet connection is stable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.